think you're going this time of day, Jeremy Finch? Playing hockey, I suppose?
You'd imagine the last place an actor would want to be on his day off is at rehearsals. But for Notting Hill and Rancid Aluminium's Rhys Ifans, tonight's work is more a labour of love.
I generally get a rash when I enter a school, but in this case, hopefully it'll serve the whole community, and with the technology and the amenities that are available, it might persuade some young kids from Ruthin to maybe make some movies or write a play or start a band.
Okay.
The theatre is part of a £400,000 refurbishment at Ysgol Brynhyfryd, which has also created a new arts centre, paid for partly by the local community.
I think, really, given a choice, he'd much prefer to look forward to working with the young people than meeting some of the grown-ups, really, because it will bring back happy memories to him. Because he was telling me the other night that he remembers many, many years ago standing on that stage and reciting under 8 or under 6 or something like that.
Even though Rhys Ifans is more used these days to the glitz and glamour of Hollywood-style premieres, tonight's opening performance is just as nerve-wracking for the young actors involved.
I'm a bit nervous, but I'm really excited about that, being come face to face with a huge star. Really, it's going to be really good.
And now the centre's open, it's hoped that it might help uncover some more hidden theatrical or musical talent to follow in the footsteps of one of Ruthun's most famous sons.
That's good. Good luck.